Background is a chef. I've been wanting to give that job up and started my own business as soon as possible. As a matter of fact, I saw this advert on the newspaper and I came here for the workshop. It's packed with knowledge. I really enjoyed myself. It's very easy. It looks overwhelming at the beginning when you think of opening your own business, a recruitment business for that matter. But once you come here and you listen to Mr. Joe, and you realize it's not as overwhelming as it seems. It will break it down from the ordinary person on the street would understand the words with easy to understand words. I normally don't say or believe in anything as quick as I did today because it's so convincing, and I'm so grateful I came here today. Working in the same industry, I'm even thinking about opening my own recruitment agency, which chefing and hospitality jobs will be my age. I noticed that at work we always need agency staffs, basically chefs every day, especially since the Brexit. It's more of everybody you speak to telling you they need chefs, they need kitchen porters, they need kitchen assistants. I went as far as doing a survey myself, going around the high streets to find out what they really need in restaurants. I find out that everybody's complaining of the same issue, employment. So there's a space in the market, and that's the reason why I want to do it. With the pandemic that happened, a lot of people went back home, lost their job, felt so reluctant to come out to a normal conventional job. So even for the single mothers at home could easily do this because it only takes a laptop and phone numbers and addresses to actually look for work. So I believe even the layman will be able to run an agency, because if it's all you need, you could work remotely anywhere, and even on your holidays you could even work as well. So there's this advantage of unemployment and advantage for the entrepreneurs that will start their business. If you've worked all your life and you know that you've got things to provide in your work and experiences you give to your work for free. A lot of people I speak to, especially my friends, all we always talk about is when are we going to start our own business, because it's so tiring doing the same thing every day and getting the same reward every day. People want to be free. Like me and my friends and family, all we talk about is how can we be independent and how can we have time, especially having young family at home. We need that time to spend with our family, and as well as making more money to be financially independent. That's all we've talked about, even in the pubs, in the swimming pool, in the gym. We've always talked about how to be independent. I would personally recommend this to anybody who think they want to open their own recruitment business from home. It's a very good idea. And trust me, there's nothing to be worried about. It's just something you'll benefit from.